Namaste children. Today we are going to see chapter 2 worksheet number 4. This is for class 4 chapter 2 worksheet number 4. It is based on addition as for word problems. So first we will read the question twice or thrice until we understand the information that is given in the word problem. The first one says, in an examination 29,456 candidates passed, while 57,281 candidates failed. How many candidates appeared for the exam? What is the first given information? In an examination, 29,456 candidates passed. So first we will learn how to write the statements properly. This is worksheet number 4. Number of candidates passed. The first information given is number of candidates passed. How many candidates have passed the examination? 29,456. Do not write the number clumsily near the digits nearer. Give some gap between the digits, so when you are adding or subtracting you will have a clarity which column you are adding, which place value you are adding. The next information given is 57,281 candidates failed. So the second statement will be number of candidates failed is equal to 57,281. Now which place value you are adding, how to know? With a red pencil once, or you can leave a little gap so that if you have carry forward you can do that. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands and 10,000s. Now, what is asked? How many candidates appeared for the examination? That means passed number is given, failed number is given. We have to find out the total number of candidates. When I say total, I have to add total number of candidates is equal to, I have to add 29,456 and 57,281. You can add it here, or if you want you can add in the rough column. I am adding it here only. Y plus symbol because we are adding. Y addition because it says we have to find out the total number of candidates that appeared. We will start from the ones column. 6 plus 1, 5 plus 8, that is 13. 3 will sit in the tens place, 1 is carry forward. 1 plus 4, 5, 5 plus 2, 7. 9 plus 7 is 16. 6 sits in the thousands column, 1 goes to the 10,000s column, carry forward. 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 5, 8. Total number of candidates appeared 86,737. You can do the addition in the rough column and write the answer here, or you can do very neatly here itself. Now what is the last statement? Therefore 86,737 candidates appeared in the examination. We know how to present our classwork, so we will take a red pencil and we will blur it. How to write the statements? We will first read the question twice or thrice, understand what is the first information given, what is the second information given, what has to be found out, and we will understand whether it is addition, subtraction, multiplication or division. This is how you will present your word problems in your classwork. Now let us see the second word problem in worksheet 4. In a school library, there are 11,250 science books, 21,312 maths books and 20,143 Hindi books. Find the total number of books in the library. In a given school library, there are 11,250 science books. So what will be the first statement? Number of science books in the library. You can write number of science books in the library, or you can just write number of science books. So number of science books is equal to 11,250. Next, 21,312 maths books. So the next statement will be number of maths books is equal to 21,312. Next is 20,143 Hindi books. Number of Hindi books is equal to 20,143. Have you placed all the digits properly under their place values? Yes, no, check. All the given numbers are 5-digit numbers, so we have placed them correctly. Otherwise, after you read the question, understand how many digit numbers are given and write the maximum number of place values that are needed. Then write the digits under them when you write the statements. Okay. Next, find the total number of books in the library. Underline total number of books. When I say total, I have to add the given numbers. Now I am going to find out total number of books in the library, or you can just write total number of books is equal to, I will add first two or second two or all of the three. We have to add all the three because it talks about science books, maths books and Hindi books. Total number of books in the library. We will start from ones column. 0 plus 2, 2 plus 3, 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 4, 10. 0 sits in the tens column. 1 goes to the hundreds column. Carry forward. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 0, 2. 1 plus 2, 4. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 2, 5. So, can we write the last statement now? Yes. Therefore, there are 52,705 books in the library. This is how you will present the word problem in your classwork with statements very neatly. If you want, you can do the addition in the rough column and then write the answer in the fair column. Now let us see the D bit, the fourth bit in worksheet number 4. The cost of a black and white TV set is 3,690. The cost of a color TV is 12,810 rupees, more than the cost of black and white TV set. Find the total cost of both the TV sets. He has not given us directly the cost of color TV. He said cost of color TV is something more than the black and white TV. Now how will we find the cost of a color TV set here? Let us first write the first statement that is given. The cost of a black and white TV set. First given is cost of a black and white TV set is equal to, what is the cost of black and white TV set? It is rupees 3,690. Now, next is cost of a color TV set. What can be the cost of color TV set now? He says it is 12,810 rupees more than black and white TV. More than means the amount is increasing. When it is increasing, I have to add. How much more? 12,810. More than, increasing, add 3,690. This is the cost of black and white TV. Together is the cost of color TV set. Now how to add? This is a 5-digit number, this is a 4-digit number. In the rough column, first add both of them. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. How much is the black and white TV? 3,690. How much is the color TV? It is 12,810 more than 3,000. So I have to add. Add what? 12,810. You have to add. This will give you the cost of color TV set. 0 plus 0, 9 plus 1, 10. Carry forward. 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 8, 15. Carry forward 1. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 1 as it is. This is the cost of one color TV set. Rupees. Do not forget to write the units. Rupees. 16,500. Now we have got the cost of the color TV. What is he asking finally? Find the total cost of both the TV sets. I want total cost of both the TV sets. Total cost of both the TV sets. What and what should I add to get the cost of both the TV sets? Color TV set 16,500. Black and white TV set 3,690. Add. This is the cost of color TV set and this is the cost of black and white TV set. How much is it? We will add in the rough column or you can add it there and write. Let us add in the rough column. First I will write the place values. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands and 10,000s. Cost of color TV set 16,500 and 3,690. 0 plus 0, 0 plus 9, 5 plus 6, 1 plus 6 plus 3. This is the total cost of both the TV sets, that is rupees 20,190. You will do the calculations in the rough column or you will do it in the fair column, that is your wish, but calculations should be seen in the book. Therefore, the total cost of both the TV sets is rupees 20,190. This is how you will present your solution with statements in the classwork. You will do both the additions in the rough column or you can do it here, but you will show the addition with place values in the classwork wherever you want.